What is going on, guys? Today I am coming with you with a college apartment tour. First, let me start off by saying welcome back to Life with Deja. This is my third video. We're on the road. So first I'm gonna start with showing you the front door. Yeah. And you have here the laundry room. So we're gonna take a peek in there. Okay, so when you come in, you have your wash machine and your dryer. And then you have our little vacuum cleaner from the hall and this dustpan and broom. Over here, we have our iron board. And up here, we just have laundry detergent, the iron, towels, cleaning supplies, tissue, paper towels, and dish detergent. That's all for the laundry room. Let's go. So now comes to where all the magic happened for me and my boyfriend. It's the kitchen. We have a trash can right there. You can just do like a little 360 spin. Okay, so I'm gonna start over here. Right here we have cereal, as you can see. This is where we keep our little snacks. Noodles, bread, cups, plates, grits, some snacks, and our protein shake. And an extra trash bag. Now if you want to come closer, we have Kool-Aid and these water packets. We have our handy dandy get the stuff out the oven, mittens, and wash stuff in the kitchen. Don't know, oh yep, my candy's in there. I don't know what's in here. Oh, the plastic bags, extra plastic bags. Now, when you back up, we have our freezer, ice cream, some pulled pork, pizza rolls, some other stuff. Yeah, ice. We took this out because we would rather have this to save space, so that's why I got stuff there. Closing that into the refrigerator. Okay, I'm gonna step on this side. Over here we have water, some fruit, more fruit in there. Milk, I almost said water. Milk and Kool-Aid. We're cooking dinner tonight. We're gonna have turkey burgers and some fries. So it's in there defrosting, eggs, bacon, sausage, turkey breast, and butter. Mmm, tasty. And here, we see my dream came true, right guys? Yeah. It's just all the utensils. Don't think there's nothing in there. And we just have storage bags, measuring cups, and sugar. Ooh. This is the microwave, stove, oven type combination. Over here we have silverware, knives over here on the side, and clips. Ooh. We just have some hot cocoa for when it gets hot, seasoning, condiments, and all that. Rice. I don't know, I forgot what it's called. And yellow rice. We have cups, all our cups, whole bunch of cups back there. Okay, over here we have bowls, plates, and Tupperware. This is the dishwasher, the sink with this detergent. And when you open this up, voila, everything we need to cook with. Don't have to go through what that is, it's kind of self-explanatory. Now follow me. Over there, over here. Yeah. Welcome to the living room. We don't have anything out here, but here's our little 24-inch TV. And we have consoles inside here, which is not really important, but it's a Nintendo Switch and a 360. Chairs for extra guests to pull up close to the TV because it's a 24-inch. And where we eat our breakfast and dinner. It's our number one rule in the house. Breakfast and dinner at this table, no phones. Now, to the best room of it all, my room / bathroom. That's how it's like, take some pictures. So first you're gonna walk down this hall. This is my boyfriend's room, and this is my room. Just wanna do a 360 really quick. Yeah, I'm panning around. Okay, so first we can start with over here. This is my basketball hoop to play with because I like basketball. This is a cartoon that was drawn for me. And this is another picture that was drawn for me, my boyfriend. And then when we come over here, this is my vision board. And above my mirror, it says Deja's Way. Do you see me in the mirror? You can get a good view of my bed too from the mirror. Yeah. And here we have a trash can. I guess we can enter the mirror. The mirror. What is this? Closet. You have jeans up here. There's 2 jeans on each hanger. Miscellaneous. And shirts. Under here we have shoes. Shoe collection coming soon. Over here we have my shoes. And we have my jackets. Warriors all day. And I'm not a bandwagon. I'm just... So here's the TV with my PlayStation, some games. There's supposed to be a Wii U up here, that's why they have Wii controllers. This is my undergarments. This in here is pants. I have Adidas pants in the, what is this called? Hamper, so that's why it's not full. But pants and workout pants and yoga and tights and all that crap. Shorts, sleeping shorts and jean shorts. So heavy. And down here I have all my shirts. Nice. Okay. Then move over here. Book bag. I'm gonna have a What's in My Closet book bag coming soon, so stay tuned for that video. This is my desk, and in my desk is where I work. I have a Bob's Burger poster stamp right here in front of me. My printer, some little pictures, and that doesn't really matter. I have a fan. But when I get hot, it blows directly to me. And this says choose happiness. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be. Okay. And then I have a little poster over here with my family. That doesn't really matter. So this is my bed. Yep, it's just blue. And under the bed, I just have storage. Yeah, just a bunch of containers going on there. Now to the bathroom. Let's go. Yeah. When you walk in, this is what you see. Let's close the top to the back. Nobody wants to know what's actually in there. So when you walk in, just pan over here. I have my bathroom tray with, the essentials on here. Nothing too important. And down here is just all my hair stuff and just extra stuff like, the extra stuff, yeah. And this is my shower curtain. I have a towel back here. And when you turn this way, it's my medicine closet. Or mirror, I don't know what you call it. But yeah, there it is. And I think that completes my room tour. But first I'm gonna give y'all some basketball shots because your girl's a pro basketball player. So let's close this door. Bring this out and catch it. I'm gonna get at least a couple of shots in, Oh, okay. That was just warm up. I was just warming up. I think I just need to, surprise him. Just wait a second. It's gonna come.
One eternity.
I'm gonna make one. Yeah. And she scores. Yeah. stuck. And I think that concludes the end of my video. Stay tuned for more. I have cooking videos coming. Whew, I'm tired. Cooking videos, workout, routines, whatever you want, guys. Sneaker collection is coming. So stay tuned. It's only going to get better. And if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, guys, and thank you for watching. It's me, rapper. What you know about me? I'm a rapper, stunting on all these cheese, getting dough, getting money, getting paper. Yeah. Okay. Am I most comfortable in skirts or shorts? Shorts. Yes.